Hey, what is up friends? My name is Eric, and in today's Premiere tutorial, I show you how to turn a 2D image like a screenshot into a 3D animation. Let's get started. All right, before we continue here, make sure you like the video and get subscribed, and then go ahead and set up your Premiere Pro project. Here I have a color matte for the background and my screenshot here, which I want to turn into a slight little 3D animation. Once you've got that set up, head over to the Effects tab and type in 3D, which should bring up Basic 3D. You can drag that over onto the screenshot or the 2D layer that you wish to turn into 3D. Here you want to keyframe, swivel, and tilt. This is the animation, the 3D animation, which you'll be working with here. As you can see, it creates this little cool tilt effect here when we're moving tilt, and swivel when we're moving swivel, obviously. And we want to keyframe this to the beginning of the end of the video here. So let's do a very basic animation here. All right, there we go. So between these two keyframes, it's just gonna do this little nice spin here. And if you want, you can always mess around with the scaling and the swivel and tilt, of course. Something that you can add to make it a bit more spicy is to add a shadow. So drop shadow is what we're gonna be looking for. Drag that over onto the screenshot layer and set the opacity to like 100. And I would say softness between 80 to 120 is pretty good. Obviously, mess around with this as you wish and see whatever works best for you. Mess around with the distance as well. And there you go. You have a nice little 3D animation there. All right, that's it for this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and like the video and get subscribed. See ya.